Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So today I am going to talk about one of my favorite things, which is the fastest, most affordable way to win, like what Naics codes fall under there and what you can do to win a contract right now, government contract, when we look at those areas. So fast, affordable, and compliant. That's what we're going to look at. So the number one is going to be facility support services. It's one that you can do. I'm going to give you a little background right there. So janitorial and sanitation services, and that's Naics code. You can go with Naics code 561720, or you can go with 561210. And why this is really good, because it's recurring. When you add janitorial, I know a lot of people add janitorial. It is a low profit margin. The profit margin is small, but it definitely can give you something fast, quick, and it's recurring. And a lot of this is used for a lot of government buildings. So this would be something you could, look at doing reoccurring. That's a good start. Might be small, but you've got steady money coming in, and it's fast, affordable, routine cleaning, all of that. So much stuff you can do. You can do disinfecting, restocking, all of that. And it's easy to align with OSHA, EPA, all of those things. Office supplies and equipment is one of my favorite. You can look at Naics code 424120 or 339940. And this, one of the things, their agencies need continuous replenishment of desks and toners, especially when they were doing a lot of return to office, paper, all of that. And it's fast and affordable, drop ship. You can do that. You can do bulk options. And I like it because you can use GSA approved or environmentally compliant products. Another one is IT equipment and basic support services. That Naics code is going to be 541519 or 334111. This is where we're looking at laptops and routers and basic information like that, basic support. And it's really good and affordable, something that you can use. The solution be really easy. And then you can do this a lot with FedRAMP and different hardware security requirements. It's easy to be compliant. Another one I did a lot of, and I really enjoy this, is staffing. I love, love, love staffing. Staffing was one of my favorite ones. I won a lot of contracts with staffing very quickly. I did it on the private, and that's why it was really something I enjoyed doing, staffing. Staffing is great because you can do staffing with anything. And so if you have the feel and the taste for staffing, you can do that a lot. So staffing and admin, Naics code 561320 or 561110. Agency needs staffing, all kinds of support, admin, data, all of that. Things have changed, but they still need like event staffing, all of that. So you may not need very much data entry, but they do need a lot of admin still. And, quick onboard personnel. You can set up onboarding. I know I did a lot of onboarding. We did all kinds of staffing. I loved it. And you can do, it's really compliant because, it's straightforward and it's easy to deliver. And the last is maintenance and light facility repair, light facility repair. Naics code 238220 or 238210. There is an ongoing need for HVAC. Definitely one of the things I know when we were doing staffing and we're doing light facility and construction and all of that, HVAC is a big one. Light plumbing and all of that, general repair, did that for sure. Fast and affordable. You can do project-based or on-call. You can, be rapid response. This really makes it great for you. Fast and affordable and compliant. You can do a lot of compliant things under construction regulations. So this is really, really yummy things you can do that are easy. You can get started fast, affordable, and you can be compliant very easily. So if you'd like to learn more of what I call more of the eye level instead of high level, make sure you join me for my weekly free GovCon Lunch and Learn. Click the link. Love to see you there. Keep you on there for about 30 minutes or so, giving you some real actionable items that when you get off, I am all focused on making sure, really, really focused on making sure that it is worth your time. So I'd love to see you there. Make sure you click the link, and I'll look forward to seeing you. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.